Why does your scanner show the P2302 engine code? What does it mean? P2302 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil, a secondary circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM detects an issue with the secondary circuit of ignition coil A. It triggers the P2302 code and illuminates the check engine light. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Ignition coil issues, spark plug and related problems, PCM problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Ford, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.